Did you know that even with the skyrocketing dollar exchange rate, luxury shopping is still alive in Tehran? Despite economic challenges, there are still places in this city where high-end brands, fancy restaurants, and premium entertainment spots attract those who can afford them. Today, we're taking a walk through one of the most luxurious shopping malls in the northern part of Tehran, where the wealthier side of the city comes to shop, dine, and socialize. But is it still as vibrant as before? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and today we're stepping into a different side of Tehran, the side that still shines with luxury despite all odds. This newly built luxury shopping mall is one of the most exclusive spots in the city. Located in northern Tehran, this area has always been home to the city's wealthier residents. Compared to the busy streets of downtown, where people are rushing to make ends meet, here, life moves at a different pace, one of comfort, leisure, and high-end indulgence. As we step inside, you can immediately feel the difference. The marble floors, the glass ceilings, and the high-end boutiques give off an atmosphere that feels worlds apart from the crowded bazaars of central Tehran. This mall was designed not just for shopping, but for an experience, a place where people come to enjoy life, meet friends, and spend money without thinking twice. But here's the real question. How many people can actually afford this lifestyle today? With the Iranian rial weakening to nearly 840,000 per US dollar, prices for imported goods and luxury items have skyrocketed. Yet, as you look around, you'll still see people walking into designer stores, trying on expensive watches, or sipping coffee at an upscale cafe. Who are the people shopping here? Most of the visitors here are Tehran's upper class. Business owners, celebrities, influencers, and those who have investments abroad. Unlike the middle and lower class residents who have to think twice before making big purchases, these shoppers still have the financial freedom to enjoy luxury. However, even here, things aren't as busy as they used to be. A few years ago, malls like this were always packed with people browsing, shopping, and dining. Now, while some still come, it's clear that the numbers have dropped. Expensive restaurants that once had long waiting lists now have empty tables during peak hours. Luxury boutiques that once had constant foot traffic